Hey everybody, it's me Ivy. So finally doing a video. Anyways, sorry the window's open, it's stuffy. It's been like fall weather with heat. So it's muggy today and it's gonna rain again. Anyways, I'm gonna do my Birchbox. This is so cool. And it's even cooler on the inside because the card even has it. And this is what I have. And yellow tissue paper. And no, oh, there's padding. I keep forgetting to put padding half the time. Anyways, let's see what I have here. Okay, the first thing I'm going to give for my mom because I don't need it. I don't know why Birchbox says, oh, you need this, but no, I don't. This is a dry shampoo with oat milk, and it's for brunette. I have brown in my hair, but I'm mostly black in my hair. Well, of course, because I'm my ethnic. Brown and red a little bit, and then gray. Then try to appreciate my grays. Anyways, so I'm gonna give this to my mom because she's more of a brunette and other colors in her hair, but this would be great for her. So it's just this. Yeah. Oh, for brown to dark hair. But still, I'm going to give it to mom because I don't know if dry shampoos work with my hair. Anyways, for that, full size is $20. So I just share things that I don't need for my mom or for my sister, so I'm not just wasting it. Anyways, I got this. I picked this out for my bonus. So it's a hair mask. It helps moisturize and shine. So yeah, I need my hair mask. This hair needs some moisture. So I love this brand. Come at me. I love your brand. It's amazing. Anyways, I'm gonna do this benefit. It's the Bad Girl Bang, Bad Girl Bang. Volume. Blah, 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 blah. Slow, Ivy, slow. Volumizing mascara. Like, I need more mascaras, but I want to try this out because I like benefit. Full size is $25, and also this is $25 for full size. Here's summer weather. It's just this cute packaging. I like that's really nice, and it bends. So very nice. I like things that are like this. I like the wand to be like this, than being those harsh bristles because I tend to poke my eye out. Anyways, moving on. Oh, this hydro serum. Also a brand I get. I haven't tried. Ugh, I need to. Full size is $27. It hydrates your skin. Blah blah blah. That kind of stuff. Whew, excuse me. Alright, moving on. Is another Inspired by You product. So I have the blush, eyeshadow, and now the highlighter. It's such a cute packaging. Cute box too. It even shows you right there what the color is and stuff. But this is such a pretty highlighter though. Look at that glow. So pretty. So I'm gonna try, I keep telling myself, I'm gonna try makeup, then I don't. Oh, no, oh, this is a padding. Oh, whatever. Struggle my life. Anyways, and I showed you the shampoo. Oh, it's also the dry shampoo is also a natural tint, so it leaves a nice tint in your hair. Last thing is a shampoo and conditioner. Usually they say split them up and they have different prices, but this is all together from a new brand I haven't tried. So it's my hair, my something time everyday shampoo and conditioner, full size is 28. Oh, and the highlighter is full size is 14. So this is the shampoo and conditioner. Yep. It doesn't say much about it on the back. I'm reading. For most hair types. Okay. Thanks for saying that. Oh, it's also a vegan product. This is also vegan. So it's nice that brands are coming out with vegan products. So I'll let you know how I feel about this. Good size though. Usually shampoos and conditioners don't have this much product for 2 uses for this kind of hair. So yeah, I don't mind trying cruelty-free, vegan, that kind of stuff. I'm all about supporting everybody, loving everybody. Everybody matters, all that stuff. Anyways, none of that nonsense. Hope you guys doing okay. Being safe, you know, protesting safely. I love you guys no matter what. Love yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow. Comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more videos. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.